Happy birthday, my dear sister. May many more birthdays to come. And happy days. Good health. God bless you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Tita Beth. Enjoy your special day. God bless.
Iwan mo na namin dalawang set dyan.
Happy birthday, Mama Beth. You are now septuagenarian, pero pretty pa rin, and always maintain your beauty para mana kami sa'yo lagi. Salamat dahil ikaw ang aming tiyahin na nagmamalasakit sa mga pamangkin. Thank you and long life. We pray for your good health always and happiness. Happy birthday!